Good afternoon everyone. In this video we will try to understand how to draw involute of a regular pentagon upside 30 mm wound or unwound for one complete turn using AutoCAD software. So I have already opened the AutoCAD software. Just do the initial settings with respect to dimension. Use units, make sure that it is in millimeter, then set the limits 0, 0, 1000, 1000. It is already set, so I'm just pressing enter and then I'm pressing zoom all. Okay, now already we have seen how to construct a pentagon. For constructing a pentagon you have to use a command called polygon. Okay, and the number of sides with respect to pentagon is 5, so type 5 and you click on edge, specify the first point. Okay, and it is asking us now to specify second endpoint, so just type the side of pentagon, that is 30 mm, and pentagon will get automatically created. Okay, so we have drawn the pentagon. Now let's see how to construct the involute of a pentagon now. Okay, first step is you have to draw a circle with this point as center and this as the radius, this length, that is up to this corner point as the radius. Okay, then you have to use a command called ray, ray. Okay, select this as the first point and this corner as the second point. Okay, then press enter. Then you have to use trim command, enter and delete the circle which is not needed. Okay, so this is the first step. Next again you have to construct a circle with this point as center and this length as the radius. Just pick the previous intersection point and you'll get the circle. Okay, again we have to use the ray command. Okay, in that case select this as the first point and this one as the second point, then press enter. Okay, next you have to use again trim command, trim the unwanted thing. This one, sorry, when you use trim command you have to press enter 2 times. Okay, then you can remove the unwanted portion. Okay, so now you have to repeat the same procedure for all the corner points of a pentagon. Okay, so again type circle. Now this is the center point and up to this you have to construct, this is the radius of the circle. Then we have to use ray. So this one should be your first point and this one should be your second point. Then press enter. Then you have to use trim command again, double enter, remove the unwanted portion. Okay, again circle and this point as center, this as radius. I have constructed a circle. Then use ray command, select this as the first point and this as the second point. Then you can use trim command. This is remove the unwanted portion. Okay, next we have to construct the circle with this point as the center and this as the radius. Okay, next again use the ray command. You can just select this as the first point and this is the second point. Okay, now you can use again trim command and remove the unwanted portion. Okay, so this is how we have to construct a involute of a pentagon. So just use pedit, to highlight the involute, select multiple and select all the portion, then press enter. Then you have to press Y, you have to click width is 0.75. You can see the width of the involute curve alone has been changed. Okay, you can also change the color by selecting all the portions. So this is how you have to do. Then you can use text command to mark the points like we did in the previous cases. So point, first point, then it is asking height, so let us give us 3, then angle is 0. Okay, we'll write A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then we can just move the points to the corresponding location. So select this, click on this blue tick and place it here. Next, move the remaining things to the corresponding location. Okay, similarly the numbers can be moved to the corresponding location. Okay, this is how we have to construct the involute of a pentagon. Okay, and then you can give the dimensions also by clicking the linear. You know this side length is 30. Okay, similarly this length, it will be around 150 mm, so that is what we are getting. Okay, so this is the procedures you have to follow for constructing an involute of a pentagon. Okay, thank you.